we're gonna go ahead and remove the side skirt now on this 2013 E-Class. Leave the trunk open because we might put the rest of the miscellaneous parts in here so it doesn't get lost. What else can I say? Rear bumper pretty self-explanatory. I've never done a side skirt, so we'll figure out how it goes. We're gonna raise the car up.
I think just you have to cuff, Johnny.
Well, let's get these little ones first. Let me get the little ones out of the way.
Oh yeah.
1, 2. Buckle my shoe. These guys are
you
half turns.
Video too, this buckle my shoe. Oh,
It's half turn. That's a half turn.
Yeah.
It's a half turn. Okay. Let's get all those out.
Missing one. Yes.
Missing one?
Yes.
I have to order one. Here, you just turn it. I'll pull it. Volvo's my handy sidekick today, helping me out.
No, if I go to frame, you can hear nothing.
Videotape.
If I go, make noise for you.
You got another box for these clips? The reason why he's helping me out is because he wants to pull on that car, and we're videotaping, and he's not gonna get anywhere because we're gonna make a bunch of noise. So we're pulling these clips out.
Brand new box. Subaru. Brand new.
Okay. Okay, it's all gone. Okay, all gone. Just pull it.
Open the door.
Pull upwards.
Open the door.
Pull upwards, Wolf. It has a lip, and the lip is just sitting on. Just put, you see it right here?
Oh,
Just up and over.
what I tell you. See?
Yeah, you broke one. See?
One is not all. Wait, John. Because here is I don't broke nothing.
Oh, it's just rocks.
I don't broke nothing.
I know, it's just the rock.
It is rocks inside.
Yeah, yeah. It has a lip right here, and it slides into that lip.
So when you put back, it's just
Yeah. Well, this rear tire for here, that one for the, no, this one is for the other side. That one's for this, that one's for this side. Okay, the reason why we took this off is, obviously it's got some gashes here. We're gonna go ahead and get this over to the body shop in the morning. And we'll get this stuff painted, and then we'll have you guys back for another episode of us putting it back together. Hopefully, next couple days. Hopefully, depending how busy depending how busy our guys are at the body shop. So, thanks for tuning in today, guys. Subscribe to our channel. If you guys think we're doing something wrong, please tell us. If we got an easier way of doing something, please tell us. Or else we're just gonna continue doing what we're doing. I bent these 2 nails backwards. It hurts, but I'll live. We're gonna put the wheels back on the car, and then we get the car in the storage area till we get the bumpers back. There's a couple dings on the car. I just see another one right here. Another ding right here. I got one dent over there. We're gonna go and get these guys at the PDR to take those out, and then the car's in immaculate shape, and I see why the customer wants us to make, perfect the bumpers, which I would do the same. And then I think headlights are pretty darn good. What I might do is I might just hit them with a little buffer just so they look pristine. So when the customer gets it, it looks good. I was missing one bolt. We'll address that. I had to order a couple things that I saw that was missing. But for the most part, nothing's been moved or adjusted from adjustment, so it should all go back together pretty well. If you got an E-Class and you want to, I'm looking for anybody who has a newer E-Class, bring it in and we'll do, oh boy. I'll help you guys out as best we can. That's again wrap up for the day. Thank you. front bumper. We did the grill today. We did the rear bumper, the side skirt. So we'll have Corey break up the video so you can pick and choose what you want to watch. And I hope we can have Corey back for us when we get ready to reassemble the bumper back together. If not, then you guys just have to just watch how we took it apart and it goes right back the same way. Have a great day, guys.